Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover compound percentage questions in GAT or Qudrat. So let's start. Okay, so we are going to cover two questions. The first question is the sell price of a computer is increased by 30% the first month and then increased by 10% in the second month. So you are asked to find what is the total increase. So we need to find what the change in percentage. Okay, so now we need to convert these statements into an equation form. So as what we can solve the total increment. So let's identify the keywords. Here would have what increased by 30% means the percentage will be what it was 100, now increased by 30, therefore it will be what 130%. Since this is compound percentage, so we need to multiply to find what the total percentage, the change, the total percentage. Therefore in the second month it's increased by what, by 10%. Okay, so 10% means increased by 10% means the percentage will be 100 plus 10. Therefore, it will be what? 110 over. Now, we converted this statement into an equation form. Now, it will be simpler to calculate what? The total percentage. Okay, so let's simplify. Here we would have what? Numerator, we have 10, 10 to be, we can cancel it. Yes. And then here also what would have 10 and 10, we can cancel. Then multiply 13 by 11, it will be 143. Then 10 by 10 will be what? 100. Now over 100 means we can rewrite as a percentage means 143. Okay, but here in this question you are asked what? You are asked the total increment means the change in percentage. So here would have what? 143. So 143 minus 100, it will be what? 43 will be the change, the total change in percentage. Means what? This is the increment now. The total increment will be what? 43%. Done. Now let's proceed to the next question. The price of a car is decreased by 10% and then increased followed. So here would have what? The first is decreased, then followed by increase. So anyway, the price of a car decreased by 10%, then increased by 30%. Therefore, this is what compound interest. So we need to determine whether the change will be increased or decreased. So first we need to calculate. The first step, as usual, we need to identify the keywords that will help us to convert the statement into an equation form. So decreased by 10% means, so the percentage will be 100 minus 10, since we have what? Decreased by 10%. So it will be 90%. Multiply by, here would have what? Increased by 30%, means what? The percentage will be 130. Okay, 130 over 100. Now we can simplify. Okay, we have 0 here, numerator and denominator, we can simplify. Okay, now the 0 will be cancelled now. Now we can multiply 9 by 13 and 10 by 10. Okay, here would have what? 117 over 100. We can rewrite this one as a percentage because the denominator is what? The denominator is here 100. Therefore, if I want to write in percentage, it will be what? 117%. So This will be what increased. So from 100, it goes to 117. So we need to calculate now. You are asked to determine whether there will be increasement or decrease or reduction. So based on this, since this one is more than 100, it will be what increased. 117 minus 100, which is equal to what? 17% will be the increasement. Okay. Thank you so much. Sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share with you guys. Keep practice. Practice makes perfect. And keep in your mind also in Qudrat or GAT, time management is very important. So try to solve the question in the fastest way. Take care.